Blizzard Radio. We're listening to Psychedelic Furs, and so what do you think?
Here, you can't see anything in here.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
You think you can?
Just wait till your fans on YouTube respond. We're in the Blizzard. It is the storm of the century because we only got 9 years in the century, so we can call it that. The storm of the century. Hide the kids. What do you
expecting another one like this next week?
Next
Same
weekend,
size,
yeah.
another 30 inches.
Yeah, right. I only heard like it might rain, it might snow.
There's a weather forecast.
Where?
Right back there.
Oh, let's go to the weather forecast. It's topical. Okay. This, it is. There's the snow right here. Regional Doppler, baby. There's Millville. There you go. Whoop, the snow looks like it might be ending soon. I can see a little dip. Yeah, a little bit of blue sky. Okay.